Okay, today we're working on the 2016 Honda Fit. We're going to do a cabin air filter. TYC 800143P. Bought from Rock Auto. Not for any particular reason. They're relatively cheap. So there's these little rubber feet that engage inside. And so you just got to pull the sides of the glove box in. With two hands, it's really easy. With one hand, it can be a bit of a pain, but then your glove box will fold down just enough so you can see the door. There's a tab on each end of the door. And so that comes off. Then you reach in. You grab your cabin air filter. Yours will probably be dirtier than this, but this one's fairly dirty. Then you grab your new air filter. Make sure the airflow is pointing down and the Honda fits. So then you just get it in there and you tuck it back in. Nothing too particularly complex. You put your cover back on. Should click right into place. There's one end. There's the other end. And then if your hinge comes off on the bottom like that, it just clips back on. Then you just push your feet back up and you're all set.